According to American author, journalist, and professor Walter Isaacson, one of Elon Musk's biggest accomplishments happened during what he refers to as the darkest, most difficult time of his life. In July 2017, Tesla introduced its Model 3 sedan, a more affordable electric vehicle compared to earlier models. Facing a tight deadline, Tesla had just 1 year to ramp up production to 5,000 Model 3 sedans per week, a number Musk deemed critical for the company's survival. With limited time and resources, Musk had to devise strategies to accelerate production on existing lines rather than building new ones, and this tumultuous period compelled the Tesla CEO to formulate what's now known as the algorithm, a set of 5 essential rules aimed at rejuvenating Tesla and rescuing it from financial turmoil. These rules included questioning every piece of equipment, deleting any part of Tesla's production process that it can do without, simplifying and optimizing the process, accelerating the cycle time, and lastly, automating Tesla's production process. These rules, born out of adversity, not only helped Tesla to overcome its challenges, but also became fundamental principles in the company's approach to innovation and efficiency. The leadership of Elon Musk has experienced remarkable growth. Being a leader in the technology and efficiency sectors, Tesla has some of the most advanced manufacturing capabilities and software development efforts in the industry. For Elon Musk, he sees a path filled with innovation, growth, and an unwavering commitment to Tesla's mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Over the next decade, Tesla will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the industry for automobiles, and this growth will all be thanks to its brilliant CEO and the amazing team at Tesla. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Elon Musk has been on a mission to change the world. Being Tesla's CEO and definitely one of the brightest minds that the world's ever seen, the tech giant hopes to see a future where the roads are filled with electric vehicles, where clean and sustainable energy powers our homes, and where cars drive themselves with the precision of a seasoned race car driver. Today, we're going to take you on a journey into the visionary world of Elon Musk, the mastermind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and many other interesting startups. We'll also delve into Musk's own words and plans for the next decade, where the boundaries of transportation and energy are pushed into new frontiers. And we're also going to reveal the ambitious roadmap he's got for Tesla, and where he expects to see the company in the next few years. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime with the electrifying world of Tesla's future. And we promise you won't want to miss any second of this journey. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla's immediate focus is on expanding its electric vehicle lineup to better cater to a broader range of consumers. The automaker is working tirelessly to make EVs more affordable and accessible, with the ultimate goal of transforming the automotive market, and that is a future that Musk wants to see, and it is already happening. The ultimate vision of Elon Musk and for Tesla is for the use of AI to transform the way we live, work, and travel. And the company is making great strides towards that goal. Musk has said numerous times that Tesla cars are just robots on wheels, and whoever listens to him carefully is going to understand that Tesla will represent much more than just cars in the future. As we continue on with this video, we're going to explore some major aspects of Tesla's business that Elon Musk plans to focus on, and the goals he's got for each of these businesses. So keep watching until the end. Elon Musk has always emphasized the importance of critically evaluating every aspect of Tesla's production process. The CEO champions the need to streamline and simplify processes while optimizing efficiency wherever possible. He also recognized the benefits of automation in achieving higher production volumes and consistency, and this also has helped Tesla achieve industry-leading production numbers. We're already seeing the impacts of this with the incredible success of the Model 3 and Model Y. Tesla's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just its products. It is rather about the carbon-neutral future that it plans to achieve, since this company intends to reduce its environmental impact at every step. Tesla's efforts are not just focused on the materials and processes that it uses to manufacture its vehicles, but also on the methods used to recycle its batteries. Basically, the company is dedicated to making operations as green as its vehicles. Tesla wants to make self-driving cars, and in fact, this is one of Musk's major targets for Tesla. Autonomous driving remains a key focus for Tesla, and in the coming years, the automaker plans to achieve full self-driving capabilities for its vehicles, making roads safer and more efficient. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving features will continue to evolve, and consequently, the company will expand its availability to more markets globally. The Tesla network and autonomous ride-sharing platform will become a reality, and it will enable Tesla owners to share their vehicles and earn income, even while they're not using them. This particular factor, we believe, is going to be a huge competitive advantage for Tesla in the future. In addition to its vehicles, Tesla's also going to be driving innovation in energy solutions. Tesla Energy is going to be a pivotal role in transitioning the world to renewable energy sources. Its solar products, Powerwall, Powerpack, and Megapack are all going to keep evolving, making it easier for individuals, businesses, and even entire regions to harness the power of the sun and wind. Tesla will also be working closely with utilities and governments to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy grids. Looking a decade in the future, Elon Musk envisions Tesla as a global force for positive change. Tesla continues to lead the electric vehicle revolution with an ever-expanding fleet of vehicles that are not only stunning in design and performance, but also accessible to people from all walks of life. Similarly, Tesla's energy solutions will help combat climate change, and autonomous technology will redefine transportation. Just like Musk, Tesla didn't have the same status a few years ago as it does now. As of 2017, Tesla was just a company with promising technology, even though many investors felt it had overpromised on its manufacturing goals. The future of Tesla is none other than relentless, and it's full of innovation and sustainability. The automaker is on a mission to create a brighter and more sustainable future, and we're excited to witness where Tesla's going to take it. But what do you think about Tesla CEO Elon Musk? Can he successfully lead Tesla to the point where it becomes the world's most valuable company? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.